Let's face it, nobody wakes up excited to vacuum, but dealing with a machine that clogs or loses suction makes the chore 10 times worse. I was tired of guessing which ones actually work, so I bought 5 of the most popular vacuum cleaners on the market. I tested them on everything from pet hair to spilled cereal to see which one deserves a spot in your closet. Product number 1, Amazon Basics Wet Dry Vacuum. Starting with the Amazon Basics Wet Dry Vacuum. When I pulled this out of the box, the stainless steel tank caught my eye immediately. It feels way more durable than the cheap plastic ones I usually see in this price range. It's a bit bulky, but the wheels roll smoothly across my garage floor. I tested this on some sawdust and spilled water. The 3 HP motor is loud, but it didn't struggle at all. It sucked up everything instantly. The onboard storage for the nozzles is handy because I always lose those pieces, though the locking hose was a bit stiff at first. It's great that it switches between wet and dry messes without a fuss. This isn't for your living room rug, but if you need a tough, no-nonsense cleaner for your workshop or garage that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. Product number 2, Armor All AA 255W Utility Vac. If the last one was too big, I tried the Armor All Utility Vac next. This thing is tiny. Holding it by the top handle, it felt like a lunchbox, making it super easy to carry out to the driveway. It comes with a ton of attachments, which I really appreciated for getting into those annoying cracks between car seats. Don't let the size fool you. The 2-peak HP motor has surprising kick. I used it to detail my car interior and it pulled dirt out of the mats easily. The coolest part, I converted it to a blower in seconds to blast leaves out of my garage tracks. The cord is only 10 feet, so I needed an extension cord, but that's a minor gripe. This is the ultimate car detailing buddy. If you need something portable for quick cleanups or your vehicle, grab this one. Product number 3, Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright. Switching to indoor cleaning, I tested the Eureka PowerSpeed. Picking this up, I was shocked. It weighs just 10 pounds. I could carry it up and down the stairs with one hand without getting tired. It feels a bit plasticky, but that keeps the weight down. I ran this over my living room rug and then switched to the hardwood. The 5 height adjustment knob is right on the base, so I could switch settings instantly. It picked up cat litter and fur without scattering it everywhere. The dust cup is huge at 2.6 liters. I vacuumed 3 rooms and didn't have to empty it once. The pet turbo brush was also great for my sofa. If you want a lightweight, standard upright that handles pet hair well and costs less than a nice dinner, this is the budget king. Product number 4, Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe. Then I grabbed the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe. This feels like a serious machine. The build quality is noticeably better than the Eureka. My favorite feature is the lift-away pod. I clicked a button, the canister popped off, and I could walk around vacuuming the stairs and drapes while holding just the motor. The suction here is intense. I actually had to open the suction release valve because it was pulling so hard on my thick carpet. The swivel steering makes it glide around furniture legs effortlessly. Plus, it has a completely sealed HEPA system. After vacuuming, the air actually smelled cleaner, not dusty like with cheaper vacs. If you have allergies or need to clean hard-to-reach places like stairs and ceiling fans, the versatility here is worth the extra cash. Product number 5, Tyneco Floor 1 Switch S6 Stretch. Finally, I went high-tech with the Tyneco Floor 1 Switch S6. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a whole cleaning system. It feels futuristic. The design allows it to lay completely flat, I'm talking 180 degrees, so I could slide it right under my bed where dust bunnies usually hide. It swaps between a stick vacuum and a wet mop. I tested the anti-tangle brush on long hair, and true to their word, nothing got wrapped around the roller. The self-cleaning feature is the real winner though. I docked it, pressed a button, and it washed and dried itself with hot air. No more touching gross filters or wet rollers. This is pricey. But if you want one machine that does your vacuuming and mopping and cleans itself afterward, this is the future of cleaning. Whether you need a simple shop vac or a high-tech floor washer, one of these will make your cleaning routine a lot less painful. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current prices and specs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next review.